Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support at pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today we are continuing to look at these new Envy colors. Envy has 12 new colors, and they have them on 25 of their styles. So today we are looking at this really cute bob with a bang. This is Carley. I've always wanted to try Carley. And this gorgeous color is called Cinnamon Toffee. So more on her in just a minute. Let's start looking at Carley in Cinnamon Toffee. So what a gorgeous brunette. I can't wait to tell you more about the brunette in just a minute. And Carley is such a cute style. Very similar to Petite Paige, but this is an average size cap. And this one has a mono top, no lace front since she has a bang. But really, really beautiful style. I've always wanted to try this. And I will say, even though this is average size, there is a little bit of extra room in here, but it's still fitting my petite head really, really nicely. So if you're petite, don't be afraid to try this style. So I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll do a little bit about her specs, and we will start really digging into this color. Okay, from the front, my left, the back, my right, and back to the front. I have to brag on these fibers a little bit. These fibers are so beautiful. They come right out of the box like this. There's no tangling. There's no, they just are sleek and, just beautiful, beautiful fibers. I'm really impressed with them. So just wanted to mention that. These are not heat friendly. These are just regular synthetic. So, okay, so measurements for Carley. Carley has a 4-inch measurement here in the front on her bang, and you could shorten that if you needed to. She has an 11-inch measurement back here from the crown. She has 6.5-inch sides, and she has a 4-inch nape. So really nice, just perfect little bob cut. Really, really cute. Okay, so as I said, she has a full mono top, so you can part her, wherever you like to up here on this mono top. And then she does not have a lace front because she has this bang, that you're always going to have a bang on this wig. I have good coverage around the face on the ear tabs. She looks really, really nice. So that is all about Carley as far as her style and cap. I'll show you her cap construction in a bit. But let's jump in and start talking about this beautiful color, Cinnamon Toffee. So Cinnamon Toffee, gosh, what a pretty brunette. I loved the macchiato. The macchiato is just a little bit darker than the Cinnamon Toffee. Actually, I'll grab the macchiato and show them side by side in just a moment. But let's talk about this Cinnamon Toffee. So Cinnamon Toffee is described as a neutral blend of medium chestnut brown and light golden brown with dark brown roots. So I would describe the color as being neutral to warm. The brunette is definitely a neutral, but then they add in that golden brown, for a highlight, and that definitely warms the color up some. So there's your rooting. Your rooting is going to show throughout the piece. It's going to be around the face. Of course, on the brunettes, the rooting is not as pronounced, but it's really nice. It's just a small root, and then we go into these beautiful highlighted colors. So gorgeous. Okay, this is just in room light. You can see that rooting. Beautiful color. Okay. So I have a Petite Paige in the macchiato. So you can see this one is just, this one is just slightly lighter. They both, I think, have the same rooting on them. So this color is more of the light browns, lighter browns in the highlight. This one is just slightly darker. Look at her interior cap construction. So here is that full mono top. You're going to have full head coverage for parting anywhere you'd like. There's just a soft strip right here, poly strip. But there's no, you know, velvet or anything like that, but it's perfectly comfortable. Then of course you have the bang to cover that area where you don't have a lace front. You have open wefted ear tabs, so your glasses can go right through those if you prefer to do that. Open wefted cap. She has pull adjusters. She does not have an extended nape. Average size, like I said, plenty of stretch in this cap, so. But fitting my petite head nicely too, so. Okay, I love this color. It's so pretty. All right, we'll do a little bit of styling, glasses, that kind of stuff. So she's super easy with glasses. She's low density. I don't feel a permatease anywhere on this wig. So glasses go up on the head really nicely. She's so natural. This is a very natural, beautiful look, beautiful wig. Okay, so headband looks real cute with those bangs. It looks cute also, just tucked behind the ear, so. She has the length for half up, half down. Maybe a low pony, if you just wanted to get her up off your neck. I don't know that the sides would stay though. So, but she's just really, really, really cute, very pretty. And of course you can part her, you know, anywhere you want to up here on this mono top, which is really nice. And then you'll just change your, you know, direction of your bangs. So really, really pretty. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.